In today's short analysis video, we will discuss on Oracle Corporation stock. My dear friends, this stock has broken down an important support level, and along with that there are multiple negative factors which has already been materialized, and it would allow us to capitalize an opportunity to short sell this stock. We can initiate a short sell position before a massive downside correction get trigger. My dear friends, if you are on the buy side, watch out. If you still on the buy side, you be very careful because this stock is ready for a big downside corrections. My dear friends, if we'll make a closer look over here, this was a bottom where the stock had given a massive upside rally in the form of upward sloping parallel channel. And as long as the stock was trading under this upward sloping parallel channel, the stock got triggered with back-to-back higher highs. If you'll notice over here, this was a first higher rise, the second higher rise over here, and the third higher rise here. But as soon as this upward sloping parallel channel got triggered on the downside, first time its higher highs shifted to lower lows. And this is a point where we got a two major negative signal. This was a point where the game started to change. The very first negative signal is upward sloping parallel channel got triggered on the downside. The moment this channel get break on the downside, we make a immediate profit protecting. We will immediate do a short term profit to get protect. And secondly, we will, whenever we confirm that higher highs is getting shifted to lower lows, we take that as an confirmation that stock has officially entered into a correction. Whenever higher highs get shifted to lower lows, assume that the stock is under correction and immediately stop buying. And in fact, we can initiate a short sell position unless and until higher high sequence not get created. We can initiate a short position and earning a decent amount of money while trading the stock on the downside. And my dear friends, the third most negative signal, and that will be a diversion. If you'll put a diversion over here, you will be surprised to know even the diversion is showing a negative diversion. You will identify, if you see the price action is moving on the upper peaks, but the same peaks is missing out on the RSI indicator, and this is an area where we got a breakdown, and it will going to give the downside momentum on the stock. And finally, and the most important negative signal, and that will be a chart pattern. If you'll see over here, there is a negative chart pattern get broken down over here. This was a rounding top pattern which is already got triggered down with with the neckline 200. $200 was a very important support, but stock has broken down on weekly closing basis, and that will be a very negative for the stock. So very soon now you will witness the price will be reaching to $178, that we will mark in green color. This will be the first target, and the second target somewhere around $160. And my dear friends, since the stock has started the journey all a long way from year till year, so the RSI on the lower time frame will be oversold. So there could be a possibility the stock may bounce, the stock may give you a bounce. You have to utilize that bounce as an opportunity to short sell. Don't immediately short the bounce. You have to wait until the bounce will get fizzle out. You have to wait for a last breath when the bounce get fizzle out, and the moment you see the bounce get fizzle out, and then you will find after the bounce, once the bounce will get complete, you will see a negative candlestick pattern, and immediately once the negative candlestick pattern get create, immediately you can short sell. And this is the professional way to short sell the bounce market. So now we are expecting that stock may bounce to trap the short seller, but you have to utilize that bounce as an opportunity to short sell. And my dear friends, this area of the neckline now will act as a strong resistance. So far it wasn't support, but now it has turned into an important resistance because multiple negative factors got action over here. This was an area where we have seen the upper sloping parallel channel got triggered on the downside, higher highs shifted to lower lows, and this is an area where we have witnessed a negative diversion between the price action and the RSI. And here we have also seen a clear breakdown of rounding top pattern. So with due respect to all the negative breakdowns, with due respect to all the negative factors, this area of neckline so far wasn't support, but now support has turned into an important resistance. This is it for today's analysis, my dear friends. If you really like my analysis, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel for more such videos.